Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be unboxing the Neewer Neck Holder Mount Pro. So I got this to help me with my unboxing videos to give you that first person view. So let's see what's inside this. We're gonna unbox this thing right here. I did order this from Amazon. I will paste a link down below for it. Let's get into it here. Securely packaged by Amazon. Just trying to find a way to, I gotta start holding down a little box cutter with me to do these unboxings because your boy be struggling at times. 1, 2, 3, yep. All right, there we go. Unbox this baby. Take the plastic off. There we go. We'll pick that up later. Hopefully the next client doesn't walk into all this mess. So we have the Neck Holder Mount Pro right here. Let's open it up. This is exciting. I want to bring you guys a new point of view. So we've got here the manual and instructions. Got some more pamphlets on how to put it on. Here is the magnetic mount itself. Very high quality, nice piece there. And here is the neck holder mount. Oh wow. If you don't have a MagSafe case, they also have some stickers in here so you can stick it onto the back of your case to use it as well. Very cool. So I'm assuming this was gonna go around. We're gonna be locked in here very soon. Woo! Oh wow, look at that. Some more straps here for the Neck Pro, and we also got another attachment in case you want to hook up a different type of camera to it. You can hook up a camera with this little attachment right here and right here. So the way it's going to work, I'm assuming this guy will get plugged into here, as you can see, and then we're going to get it locked in. So I think it'll go this way. Perfect. Wow. Look at that. And that is exactly how it's gonna work. You're gonna hold it here on your neck. You're gonna place your device right here to give you that first person view. The reason I'm holding on to this is so it doesn't hit the microphone and give you guys some bad sound. So you're gonna take your MagSafe case or phone, you're gonna place it on top of here, and now you'll have your neck mount to give you the first person view for whatever videos you're trying to do. I personally will use them for unboxings or other tutorials, but the world is yours with this thing. It is a very nice piece. So very simple to get that point of view with this device here. It's a pretty comfortable piece. The neck holder is also bendable, so it has a lot of good flexibility. So it can probably be on your neck for a little while without you struggling. In here we have some wipes, and that is to make sure that your MagSafe connector piece stays nice and clean. That way you'll have that secure hold on it as well. And here we actually have an extra harness you can strap around your body to keep that locked in for long periods of time. Comment below what you would use something like this for. I'd love to hear from you. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel, turn on post notifications if you want to see more videos with this piece here as well. I'm actually going to shoot my next unboxing video trying to get some footage from here, so I want you to look out for that coming up on our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.